Learning a Facebook marketing course offers a plethora of benefits for individuals and businesses alike. Firstly, it equips learners with essential skills and knowledge to effectively leverage the world's largest social media platform for promoting products, services, or personal brands. By understanding the intricacies of Facebook's advertising tools and algorithms, students can target their desired audience with precision, leading to higher engagement, conversions, and return on investment. Moreover, mastering Facebook marketing fosters creativity and innovation in crafting compelling ad campaigns, enabling learners to stand out in a crowded digital landscape. Additionally, acquiring expertise in Facebook marketing opens doors to diverse career opportunities, from freelance consultancy to in-house marketing roles. Beyond professional advancement, learning Facebook marketing empowers individuals to build communities, amplify their message, and drive meaningful impact in the digital sphere. In essence, investing in a Facebook marketing course is not just about acquiring knowledge. It's about unlocking boundless possibilities for growth, success, and influence in today's interconnected world. I want to highlight the features of your one-on-one Facebook marketing training sessions. Flexible scheduling. Students can adjust session times according to their own convenience, making it easier to fit the training into their busy schedules. Practical training. Hands-on, practical exercises and real-world examples will be provided to ensure students gain valuable experience and can apply what they learn directly to their own Facebook marketing efforts. Step-by-step guidance. Each session will offer clear, step-by-step guidance, breaking down complex concepts into manageable tasks to ensure students understand and can implement strategies effectively. Personalized learning. The training will be tailored to the individual needs and goals of each student, allowing for a customized learning experience that focuses on areas of specific interest or concern. Interactive sessions. Students will have the opportunity to engage in interactive sessions, asking questions and receiving personalized feedback and support from an experienced instructor. Ongoing support. Beyond the training sessions, students will have access to ongoing support and resources to continue their learning and development in Facebook marketing. Practical assignments. Assignments and tasks will be provided to reinforce learning and allow students to practice their skills in a real-world context, ensuring they feel confident and capable in their Facebook marketing endeavors. Progress tracking. Progress will be tracked throughout the training, allowing students to see their growth and improvement over time, as well as identify areas where they may need additional focus or assistance. Certification. Upon completion of the training, students will receive a certificate of completion, recognizing their achievement and expertise in Facebook marketing. Exclusive access. Students will gain access to exclusive resources, tools, and updates to stay ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of Facebook marketing. Contact us today to start your learning journey. Thank you.